Now on the old Piccadilly line train to Barons Court, and then get across the platform to Northfields. Obviously the new train, the depot, it's not rained today, so it can probably get clear. They're going to go to Cockfosters. They're going to do DLR train. And obviously, and then Saturday, then particularly so we're going to see the Piccadilly train with Maddie, Julie, and Anna. 21st of January, not January, 21st of March. This is the old Piccadilly train. So I'm looking forward to going to see the new one depot today. But it's not ready to see it clearly. And then go to Cockfosters. But obviously, I've seen the new train be tested at Rayners Lane, Rayners Lane, City Park, Rayners Court Park, Hammersmith, and any other stations. I can obviously I'll see you. And then I'm going to go to Sudbury Hill House in the class 87, class 68, class Smart 3 5 coaches going into London and then back to Sudbury Junction. I'll see you very soon. God bless.